Hello, I'm Jason, and welcome to another free English video lesson brought to you from Main Street English. As an ESL learner, one of the most important aspects of learning English is mastering prepositions of time. Prepositions of time are words that we use to describe when something happens. For example, at, on, in. These prepositions are essential to use correctly, as they can significantly affect the meaning of a sentence. Therefore, it's important to understand the different prepositions of time and how they're used, and when to use them correctly. In this video, we will explore some of the most commonly used prepositions of time in English and provide examples to help you better understand their usage. And by the end of this video, you should have a solid grasp of prepositions of time and feel more confident in using them correctly in your writing and speaking. Are you ready? Let's go. The following 6 prepositions are just a few of the most commonly used prepositions of time in English. By understanding their meanings and usage, you'll be able to use them correctly and effectively in your writing and speaking. Preposition of time number 1, at. At is used to describe a specific point in time. For example, I have an appointment at 3 p.m. Let's meet at the park at noon. I usually wake up at 6 a.m. Preposition of time number 2, on. On is used to describe days and dates. For example, we're having a party on Saturday. The concert is on the 10th of March. I always call my parents on their birthdays. Preposition of time number 3, in. In is used to describe a period of time in the future or past. For example, we're going to Hawaii in May. He finished his studies in 3 years. The company will launch the new product in the next quarter. Preposition of time number 4, for. For is used to describe a duration of time. For example, I've been living in this city for 5 years. She studied for 2 hours before the exam. I'll be on vacation for 2 weeks. Preposition of time number 5, since. Since is used to describe a starting point in time. For example, I've been working here since January. He has been living in the city since he was born. I haven't eaten meat since I became a vegetarian. Preposition of time number 6, until. Until is used to describe a specific end point in time. For example, the store is open until 10 p.m. I have until tomorrow to finish this report. They'll be staying here until next week. These prepositions are just a few examples of the most commonly used prepositions of time in English. By understanding their meanings and usage, you'll be able to use them correctly and effectively in your writing and speaking. Thank you for watching this video. Prepositions of time are an essential part of the English language, and mastering them is crucial for effective communication. Using the right preposition of time can greatly affect the meaning of a sentence. By understanding the differences between at, on, in, for, since, and until, you'll be able to communicate more effectively and with greater precision. Keep practicing using these prepositions in context, and you'll soon feel more confident and fluent in your use of the English language. I'm Jason with Main Street English. Please leave a comment below if you have any preposition of time questions. Remember to like and subscribe to see more free English video lessons from Main Street English. Thank you, and see you next time.